In today's video, I'll show you how to copy your Discord profile link on mobile. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the advanced option, and tap it. In advanced settings, make sure developer mode is enabled. Now go back to any chat. Tap your profile picture in the chat to open your profile. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Copy ID. Once your Discord user ID is copied, close Discord and open the Notes app. Here, type discordapp.com/users and then paste your user ID after the slash. Copy the full link. This is your Discord profile link, ready to share with friends, colleagues, or gaming buddies. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.